This is the South African National Border Champion, bred by Wolmarans, which won the national now in Pretoria 2013. This bird was bred off stock from PHILWARNE, coupled with Wolmarans' old birds, which were predominantly from PHILWARNE. This green buffcock was runner-up to the national champion in South Africa National Championships. The bird is not showing itself now properly. Bred by Wolmarans, and is a full brother to the hen that obtained 4th place and the cock that obtained 3rd place, the son of the cock. This bird got 3rd prize South African National Championships in Pretoria, bred by Wolmarans, off the lines from PHILWARNE, heavily variegated yellow-green cock. This bird got 4th best on show for South African National Championships in Pretoria, bred by Wolmarans. She is a daughter of the cock that got the 3rd prize and a full sister to the cock that got runner-up to the national champion. This buff variegated hen obtained the 1st place South African National Championships, bred by Wolmarans, also from the PHILWARNE stock. This buff lightly variegated hen obtained 6th best on the South African National Championships for Wolmarans, also bred out of the PHILWARNE stock. This bird also won the All Border Show in Bloemfontein. this bird was the best yellow, lightly variegated at the National Championships in South Africa. Bird bred by Jan Wolmarans, also the PHILWARNE stock.